A woman stopped at a red light and accidentally spotted her husband cheating. Her husband, who was supposed to be on a business trip, was at a restaurant with another woman. Then Mike kissed the woman. Anna was completely shattered, but she didn't confront them. Instead, she pulled out her phone and took photos as evidence. When Mike came back from his trip and gave her a watch, Anna greeted him with a smile. She acted like nothing was wrong, but deep down, Anna was already planning a divorce, and she intended to use Mike's connections to pave her own way. Earlier, Anna had been caught up in a scandal where a female subordinate was harassed by a superior, and she was now facing the risk of being laid off. She wanted to use Mike's network to fix the problem, and Mike did help her come up with a plan. Hand in hand, the couple walked into her company, putting on a show of unity. But as soon as Mike left Anna's office, he started worrying the scandal might hurt his own business. So he went to a golf course where his business partner was playing, and started flaunting his relationship with a woman named Annie, making everyone think he and Annie were the real couple. During their conversation, Mike deliberately distanced himself from Anna, but he kept showing up everywhere with Annie, pushing Anna's limits again and again. Anna knew all about it but refused to confront him, because she understood that if she blew up now, she'd lose all the resources and connections she'd gained through her husband. So she secretly met with a lawyer to prepare for the divorce. Anna made it clear to the lawyer, all she wanted was payback. Meanwhile, Annie, who seemed fragile and innocent behind Mike's back, actually used work as an excuse to interview Anna. Facing Annie's provocation head-on, Anna struck back with one move. She took a photo and sent it to Mike. When Annie got back to the office, Mike tore into her, but Annie didn't learn her lesson. She set up another meeting with Anna, and mocked Anna for being useless. Anna turned to leave, but Annie just kept pushing. Finally, Anna couldn't take it anymore and fought back. She said Annie's success came from sleeping with men, and called her out for secretly wanting to be Anna herself. That broke Annie completely. She apologized quickly, saying she just wanted to make it in the big city. Anna felt sorry for women like her. Everyone struggles, everyone works hard, but you don't have to be the other woman to get ahead.